Picture yourself standing on a boat, staring down into the endless blue. The water stretches forever, dark and bottomless. You can't see what's beneath you, only emptiness. For many, it's peaceful. But for someone with thalassophobia, it's pure terror. Today, we're diving deep into the fear of vast oceans. Thalassophobia comes from the Greek words thalassa, meaning sea, and phobos, meaning fear. It's the intense and persistent fear of large bodies of water, oceans, seas, and sometimes even deep lakes. Unlike aquaphobia, which is the fear of water itself, thalassophobia focuses on what lies beneath the water, the vastness, the unknown, and the unseen. Many people feel a natural unease about the ocean, but true thalassophobia can cause panic attacks, avoidance of beaches, or refusal to travel by boat or plane over water. For those living with thalassophobia, just the thought of deep water can trigger racing heartbeat and shortness of breath, sweating and shaking, dizziness or nausea, panic at the sight of open water, nightmares about drowning or sea creatures. Even movies with ocean scenes, like a shark's fin cutting through the waves, can make someone with thalassophobia feel like they're drowning in fear. Imagine being invited on a tropical vacation. Your friends are excited to swim in the ocean, snorkel, or take a boat ride. But for you, the sight of the horizon makes your chest tighten. The idea of stepping off the shore into that endless abyss feels impossible. That's the reality for many living with this phobia. It's not about disliking water. It's about the overwhelming fear of what might be waiting in the deep. Why does this fear exist? There are several roots. 1. Evolutionary survival instinct. Humans are land creatures. The sea was always dangerous and unpredictable. 2. Fear of the unknown. We've explored less than 20% of the ocean. Its vast darkness hides countless mysteries. 3. Past trauma. Near-drowning experiences or frightening encounters with water. 4. Cultural influence. Stories of sea monsters, shipwrecks, and horror movies like Jaws or The Abyss intensify this fear. The ocean's immensity is real, and so is the brain's tendency to fill that darkness with danger. Thalassophobia can limit more than vacations. It can affect careers, travel plans, and even social activities. Someone may avoid flying on planes over oceans, refuse jobs that involve water like fishing or maritime work, avoid movies, photos, or documentaries about the deep sea, panic during boat rides, even on calm waters. The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth, so avoiding it can feel like avoiding the world itself. Though the fear runs deep, treatment is possible. Exposure therapy, gradually facing water in safe environments, starting with photos, then small lakes, then the ocean shore. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, reframing thoughts about danger and replacing them with logic. Education, learning about marine life can reduce fear of monsters in the deep. Relaxation techniques, grounding and breathing to calm panic when faced with water. Some even use virtual reality therapy to confront ocean scenes in a controlled, safe way. It's important to understand that thalassophobia is not simply disliking the ocean or avoiding swimming. It's a real and debilitating fear that can affect daily life and mental health. Compassion, not judgment, helps those struggling with this phobia. So the next time you look at the sea and feel calm, remember, for some, it feels like staring into the jaws of the unknown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, does the ocean make you feel at peace, or does it stir up fear inside you? Stay curious, stay kind, and remember, awareness is the first step to understanding.